Compact and feature-rich mirrorless cameras are becoming popular among photographers for their high-quality image output, fast autofocus, high-speed continuous shooting, 4K video recording, and versatility with interchangeable lenses, thanks to their mirrorless and optical viewfinder-free design. After extensive research and review rating, I have compiled a list of best mirrorless cameras from top brands to help you make an informed purchase. The list includes products with varying features, benefits, and prices. Check out my description for further information on pricing and product details. Watch the video to discover which mirrorless cameras are right for you without delay. Number 1. Panasonic Lumix G7KS 4K Mirrorless Camera. Are you tired of bulky DSLR cameras that are difficult to carry around? Introducing the Panasonic Lumix G7KS 4K Mirrorless Camera. This lightweight and easy-to-use camera features a 16-megapixel sensor and 14 to 42mm lens kit that delivers stunning DSLM image quality. One of the standout features of this camera is its 3 unique 4K Ultra HD video pause and save 4K photo modes. You'll never miss a shot again. The autofocus is fast and precise, making it easy to capture your subject with ease. With integrated Wi-Fi sharing, you can easily share your photos with others and unleash your creativity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, the Panasonic Lumix G7KS 4K mirrorless camera is a great choice. It's lightweight, easy to use, and delivers exceptional image quality. So why wait? Start capturing stunning photos and videos today with the Panasonic Lumix G7KS 4K mirrorless camera. Number 2. Sony Alpha A7i E-mount interchangeable lens mirrorless camera. The Sony Alpha A7i E-mount interchangeable lens mirrorless camera is a powerful tool for photographers looking for a compact camera that delivers outstanding image quality. With its full-frame 24.3MP resolution and fast hybrid AF with phase detection, you can easily capture stunning photos and videos. One of the camera's standout features is the world's first 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which ensures that your shots are smooth and stable, even when the camera is shaking. Additionally, the camera is compatible with Sony's E-mount lenses and others with adapters, giving you a wide range of lens choices to suit your needs. Despite its impressive capabilities, the Sony Alpha A7i remains compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around with you. It's a great option for photographers who want to capture high-quality images without the bulk of traditional DSLRs. Overall, if you're looking for a camera that offers excellent image quality, impressive stabilization, and compatibility with various lenses, then the Sony Alpha A7i E-mount interchangeable lens mirrorless camera is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for photographers who need a powerful and versatile camera that doesn't compromise on portability. Number 3. Canon EOS M200 Compact Mirrorless Digital Vlogging Camera. Are you looking for a compact mirrorless camera with outstanding features for vlogging or photography? The Canon EOS M200 might just be what you're looking for. With a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, 4K video and time-lapse movie capabilities, and a 3.0-inch touch panel LCD screen, this camera is perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos. The dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF feature ensures that your subject stays in focus, while the variety of shooting modes allows for maximum creative control. Plus, the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology enables automatic image transfer and quick sharing on social media. Customers have praised the Canon EOS M200 for its crystal-clear picture quality, editing options, and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities. However, some have noted that the picture quality can be soft and noisy at base ISO. In summary, the Canon EOS M200 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a compact mirrorless camera with high-quality features for vlogging or photography. With its fast autofocus, 4K video capabilities, and variety of shooting modes, it's a great investment for capturing your best moments. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix G7 4K Digital Mirrorless Camera Bundle, USA Black. Looking for a high-quality digital camera bundle that includes everything you need to start capturing stunning photos and videos? Look no further than the Panasonic Lumix G7 4K Digital Mirrorless Camera Bundle. This bundle comes with 2 lenses, the Lumix G Vario 14 to 42mm and 45 to 150mm, so you have flexibility in your shooting options. The camera itself boasts a 16MP resolution and a 3-inch touch LCD screen for easy navigation and framing of your shots. One of the standout features of this camera is its ability to shoot 4K video, allowing you to capture incredible detail and clarity in your videos. Plus, the camera also features a variety of shooting modes, including manual, aperture priority, shutter priority, and more, giving you full control over your photography. With the Panasonic Lumix G7 4K Digital Mirrorless Camera Bundle, you'll be ready to start capturing amazing photos and videos right out of the box. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, this bundle is a great choice for anyone looking for high-quality, versatile camera equipment. Number 5. Canon EOS R10 RFS 18 to 150mm f3.5 to 6.3 STM lens kit. Introducing the Canon EOS R10 RFS 18 to 150mm f3.5 to 6.3 is STM lens kit, a powerful mirrorless camera designed specifically for content creators. With its compact size and advanced features, this camera is perfect for vlogging, high-speed shooting, and subject tracking. Featuring a 24.2MP sensor and Digic-X image processor, the EOS R10 captures stunning photos and videos in incredible detail. Its 4K video capabilities make it ideal for recording high-quality footage, and the subject tracking ensures that you never miss a shot. This kit also includes the RFS 18 to 150mm f3.5 to 6.3 is STM lens, which provides versatile zoom range and image stabilization, making it perfect for capturing everything from wide-angle shots to close-ups. With its compact size, advanced features, and impressive image quality, the Canon EOS R10 RFS 18 to 150mm f3.5 to 6.3 is STM lens kit is the perfect choice for content creators who need a camera that can keep up with their creativity. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.